This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Streeterville to tour 3 furnished model apartments. Unfurnished units are currently available in these floor plans, renting for about $3,000 a month. We'll start our tour just east of Michigan Avenue at Optima Signature, travel a block further east to 465 North Park, and end our tour at Moment. I've just walked into a 10-tier, 1-bedroom on the 19th floor. There's a coat closet off to the left as you enter, and a very sleek kitchen off to your right. There's a large peninsula with a wide lip for seating, designer range hood, a 5-burner gas cooktop, quartz countertop, an undermount sink, French door refrigerator, built-in ovens, a pantry cabinet, and you have deep drawers to store your pots and pans and whatever. Continuing into a spacious living dining area, you can lay out a table for 6 here if you wish. Different ceiling heights lend visual interest to the space and draw you toward floor-to-ceiling window that soars about 10 feet. Looking out on the Riverwalk, looking out toward the Bleacher Center, looking west toward the Willis Tower, and east toward the lake. Bedroom is generously sized here. Space to lay out a variety of furniture. Floor-to-ceiling windows facing south continue into the bedroom. And as you head toward the bath, closet with double shelving off to your left. Another closet off to the right, also with 2 rows of shelving. The bath has stone tile. Similar stone tile extends up to the ceiling in the shower, which has a frameless glass door. Vanity is wide, has a wide mirror, designer lighting, including sconce lighting, and there's a recessed mirrored medicine cabinet. Stone that you saw in the shower and on the floor continues on the entry wall into the bath, which has a tandem entrance from the hall. Just outside the bath, it's a full-size stackable washer-dryer behind a furniture finish door. And then just beyond that is a linen closet. Out through floor-to-ceiling windows from what could be your home office desk. About apartment 2105, 1-bedroom with an angular, appealing layout. Plank flooring extends throughout the apartment. You're seeing the lighter of the finished packages in the kitchen. Pendant and dome lighting. A wide breakfast bar peninsula, just a terrific U-shaped kitchen. A lot of counter and cabinet space, including a pantry cabinet. Bosch appliance package includes a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, French door refrigerator, quartz counters, a wide undermount stainless steel sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, marble veined tile backsplash. I have to love this kitchen. Turning toward the entryway, behind the double doors, a side-by-side washer-dryer, shelving up above. Looking back at the entryway, Coat closet would have been off to your right as you walked in, and bath off to your left. It's a wide vanity, the quartz counter, undermount sink, bank of drawers for storage, and a wood frame mirror up above. Bath has a linen closet with shelving and a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Love those floor-to-ceiling windows. Roller blinds. Heading toward the bedroom. It's a nice-sized walk-in closet with 2 levels of hanging and shelving space. And again, floor-to-ceiling windows. This apartment is modeled with a queen-size bed, space for additional furniture. I'm in the foyer of Unit 3301, and there's a coat closet with organizers off to my right. Just past that, behind the louvered doors, it's full-size, stacked washer-dryer. Then you head into the living dining kitchen area. It's a galley-style kitchen with quartz counters, very wide breakfast bar lip. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, deep sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Overall good cabinet and counter space. Tile backsplash. You have pendant lighting above the peninsula. And then you head toward this great wall of floor-to-ceiling windows with windows set at an angle to expand the view. Looking out to the north and to the east where you have a sliver view of Lake Michigan. Short walk from here. Flank flooring, you have high ceilings. Nice feel to this apartment. Heading toward the bath. A wide vanity with a bank of drawers for storage, wood frame mirror, and a matching wall-hung medicine cabinet. Swinging around to the bedroom. Again, floor-to-ceiling windows, roller blinds, and a really terrific walk-in closet with organizers. Head to the building websites to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.